In this video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to get rid of the online scam related to the website Copar.live. Copar.live is a malicious site. It right now attacks Google Chrome, and it may also attack other browsers. Copar.live actually claims to be related to the well-known security program, but it's not true. This is a fake alert. It is not associated with any decent security software. So do not trust these deceptive pop-ups. They are absolutely fake. I recommend that you carefully examine your system with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. It will help you to detect and eliminate all other threats which could possibly still remain on your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you very well to identify such hidden threats and to neutralize them. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner, this is the way it looks like. By the way, Combo Cleaner is available both for Mac and for Windows computers. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so click on Start Combo Scan button. First of all, the program should update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Even in the trial mode, there are certain free features. They are Disk Cleaner, Big Files, and Duplicates. Even these three free features will help you to essentially improve the performance and the general speed of your computer. Combo Cleaner is powerful enough to detect and delete threats like adware, browser hijackers, ransomware, all sorts of unwanted pop-ups, browser redirections, online scam, and other threats. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats which were found. You will be able to know their locations, but I recommend that you consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your computer free of any other threats.